What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL, getting ready for our 2 breaks tonight. We're live for this one in 20 minutes, so we're cutting it close for time, but we're good to go. We're live, 6-box mixer 506. Figuring out teams right now. Good luck, 4 times on the random, 1008. You got Jay to Pierre Paul and Anaheim to Winnipeg, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3, 10:08. 10:08 it is. Last and final random on teams. Alright, last and final timestamp there is at 10:09. And 10:09 it is. So Chicago finished on top of the list to Buffalo, halfway mark. Chicago to Buffalo, and then we got Tampa Bay to Edmonton. Keep an eye out for that last spot. More than 30. Now time to do the names. It is 10:09, and here we go. We got Jay to Pierre Paul. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3, 10:09. 10:09 it is. Last and final random is going to do it for us. 4 timestamp is at 10:09 and just turned 10:10. So say 10:10. Kyle Griffin to Verno, halfway mark. Chicago to Buffalo, and then we got Jay to John. John's the lucky man to hit the Oilers, man. Good luck with it. All right, we got Kyle, Chicago, Davey, Winnipeg, Corey, Boston, Solomon is Colorado, Corey Moore is the Islanders. We got Pierre Paul with Carolina, Scott, Minnesota, Brian, Detroit, Jay, Montreal, Paula, Nashville, Adam, Pittsburgh, Ian, Philly, Chris, LA, Tim, Vancouver, Verno, Buffalo, Jay, Tampa Bay, Corey, Calgary, Theo, Columbus, Jay, Anaheim, Terry, New Jersey, Joe, Washington, Corey, Florida, Haley, Arizona, Ed is Toronto, Kerry, Ottawa, Mike, Dallas, Besker, Rangers, Sean, San Jose, Ryan, St. Louis, John, Edmonton. There's teams. See you in 20.